Today we're showing you a 1973 Ford 4000 SU tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor, has just under 5,000 hours on it. We traded this tractor in locally here. It is a diesel tractor. It runs and works good. We do have to repair the PTO seal yet. The PTO seal is leaking really badly in the back, so that does need to be repaired before the tractor leaves here. Paint on the tractor is in pretty nice shape. It's certainly not new, but it's in pretty nice shape. It does have a lower half of the grill here missing. Obviously easily replaced if you choose to. It does have a grill guard. They also put a homemade weight up here in the center. And it is the SU model, so it's a lower profile tractor. Also has a swept back front axle. 3-cylinder Ford diesel engine. 8-speed transmission. And again, we did trade the tractor in locally here. The tractor's in pretty good shape overall. Again, as I mentioned earlier, PTO seal is leaking really badly back here, so we do need to replace that here before the tractor leaves. It does have a rear hydraulic outlet on it. We do take trades. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding the tractor, please contact us at massedtractor.com.